Please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering concepts. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in my yesterday class I was explained what are the different types of the 2D commands are there for drawing the 2D floor plan. So I was explained 5 different commands which are related to units command, limits command, dimensions command, line command, rectangle command. So in this video I will explain you different types of the commands which are related to the circle command, arc command, polyline command and polygon command, copy command. Okay, so let's start with circle command. So basically the circle will be drawn with the help of the diameter as well as your radius. Okay, so initially we need to click on the circle command short form, C, enter. Let us consider. So it will ask you to select your specify a center point. So initially we need to select the center point here. Okay, so after selecting the center point it will ask you to specify the radius of the circle. So basically the circle can be drawn with the help of the radius as well as your diameter. So initially I will explain you how to draw the circle with the help of the radius. So after that I will explain you how to draw the circle with the help of the diameter. So here I am taking the radius is, let us consider 6 feet 0 inches. Click on enter option. So after that we have to click on Z, enter, A, enter option. So it will draw your respected circle with 5 radius. Okay, so I will show you the dimensions here. For measuring the radius of the respected circle, initially we need to select this. So click on radius option, select the center point, select this respected point. So it will comes under your respected radius of 6 feet. Okay, so you can draw this respected circle with the help of the diameter also. Now I will explain you how to draw the circle with the help of the diameter. So for that initially we need to select the circle command, C, enter, select this point. So here we had to specify the radius. So initially it will ask you to select the radius, otherwise in the bracket itself it will show you a respected diameter here. In the diameter the first letter is D, so that's why we need to enter the letter here as D, enter. So let us consider the diameter of this respected circle is 12 feet 0 inches. Let us consider, click on enter option. So this is the circle which is drawn with the help of the 12 diameter, and this is the circle which is drawn with the help of the 6 radius. The radius of the circle is 6, which is nothing but the diameter is 12, and the radius of the circle is also 6. Okay, so initially we need to measure the diameter. So you can select the diameter option, select this, and you can click on this respected center point. Okay, so this is the process to draw the circles with the help of the radius as well as your diameter. So now I will explain you one example. C, enter, specify the first point. So here it will ask you to specify the radius. So here I am taking 5 feet 0 inches. So this is the 5 feet radius circle. So you can take the circle, C, enter command. So you can select here, click on the diameter option. So you can select the 10 feet 0 inches diameter. So this is the circle which is drawn with the help of the diameter. Okay, so after the circle command there is a command is the arc. Okay, so basically arc is nothing but the certain portion of the circle. So basically the arc can be drawn with the help of the 3 methods. One is 3-point arc, second one is center with 2-point arc, and third one is center with angle. Okay, so except this respected method we have different types of the methods are there which are related to chord length and some direction. Okay, so but basically we will concentrate on this respected 3 methods only. So initially I am selecting the line, L, enter option, select the first point. So here I am selecting the x direction distance, let us take it as 5 feet 0 inches. So again I am taking L, enter option. So here I am selecting the starting point, let us take the distance is 5 feet 0 inches, enter option. So after that click on Z, enter option, A, enter option. So it will select your respected perpendicular lines here like this. So if you want to draw any one of the arc which is related to this respected perpendicular line, initially we need to click on A, enter option. So it will ask you to select the starting point, select the starting point. So click on F8 option. Again we have to select the second point. Again in the same process we have to click on the third point. So this is the process to draw this arc for this respected perpendicular line. So in the same process we can draw the arc by using 2 point with center. So select the A, enter option. So it will ask you to specify the arc point. Okay, so in the bracket itself it is showing the center here. Select the center, select this respected point. So it will ask you to select the starting point of the arc. Let us consider, again you can select the ending point of the arc like this. Okay, so like this process you can draw with center and 2-point arc. Now I will explain you how to draw the arc with the help of the angle. So let us consider arc command, A, enter, select the center. Just I am selecting the center point here. So after that we have to select the starting point for this respected arc like this. So after that it will ask you to select the angle, chord length and etc. So here we have to select the angle. So let us consider the angle is 45 degrees. Let us consider, click on enter option. So it will draw your respected arc like this. If you want to measure the angle in between these respected lines, initially we need to select this circle center point. Again we have to click on this respected point. Okay, so you can go to this respected measurement which is related to respected value of angular method. Select the starting line and select the ending line. Okay, so this is the 45-degree line. So now I will explain you another example which is related to the arc. Okay, so select L, enter option. Next I'm selecting vertical line which is related to 4 feet 0 inches. In the same process horizontal also, just I'm taking it as 4 feet 0 inches, enter option. So select A, enter option. Select the starting point of the arc and then select your F8 option. Select the second point of the arc, select the third point. Okay, so in the same process we can draw the arc with the help of another method also. A, enter option, select the center point, again select the first point, again select the second point. A, enter option, select this respected center option, select the center point. Okay, now we have to select this, specify the first point. Again we have to click on the angle here, select this respected angle which is let us consider it as 70. So this is the 70-degree line. Okay, in the same process you can draw the end number of the arc commands. Okay, so after this respected command is polyline command. Okay, so I will explain you one simple example which is related to drawing of the rectangle by using line command and polyline command, so that you can easily understand the concept which is related to the polyline. Let us consider the line command, L, enter option. Select the starting point, click on F8 option. So here I am taking the line which is related to 5 feet 0 inches in horizontal. Again I am taking 5 feet 0 inches in vertical position. Again I am taking left hand side also 5 feet 0 inches. C, enter. Let us consider. So it will draw your respected box here like this. So this respected box can be drawn with the help of the polyline also. So in the same process I will explain you how to draw the box with the help of the polyline. Let us consider the line is PL, or enter option. Select the starting point here. Again we have to enter the 5 feet 0 inches horizontal distance. Vertical distance also let us take 5 feet 0 inches, and left hand side distance is 5 feet 0 inches, and C, enter option. Okay, so now we can see the two boxes are drawn with the help of the line command as well as your polyline command. Okay, for example, if you want to select this respected line with the help of this respected line command, you can select here. So if you draw the line command box, so it will select only the one side. Okay, so in the polyline side, basically if you select any one of the side, let us consider this side is there, I am selecting with the help of my cursor. So now we can see the whole box is selected here. Okay, so this is the use of your respected polyline command. So if you want to trim these respected lines from this polyline, you can directly trim here, but in line command you can't trim any one of the line which is related to the individual objects. Okay, so this is the use of your polyline command. So if you want to draw the continuous line, you can draw with the polyline. If you draw the uncontinuous line, basically you need to continue with line command. Okay, so next command is polygon command. Okay, so basically polygon is nothing but the object which is having 3 or more sides. Okay, just I am drawing with the help of POL option. Okay, polygon, click on enter option. So it will ask you to select the number of sides of the polygon. For example, let us consider just I am taking 5 number of the sides. Click on enter option. Okay, so it will ask you to specify the center of the polygon. So let us consider. So basically the polygon can be drawn with the help of the inscribe the circle, circumscribe of the circle. So here I am selecting it as inscribe circle. So let us take the radius of this respected circle. Let us consider it as 4 feet 0 inches. Let us take. So this is a 4 feet 0 inches circle radius polygon. So in the same process I will draw polygon, one more polygon, POL, enter option with the same number of sides. So select the center point here and select the circumscribe. So let us consider this respected distance is 5 feet 0 inches. Let us consider. So this is the line which is drawn with the help of the 5 feet 0 inches radius. Okay, so this is the line which is drawing with the 5 feet 0 inches, inscribe and circumscribe. Okay, so if you draw the polygon with the help of this inscribe polygon, basically it will show you a respected less dimension. If you draw this respected polygon with 5 radius circumscribe, it will show you a respected object with this respected higher distance. Now I will explain you how to draw the polygon with the help of the 12 sides. So basically we will click on POL, enter option. Select the number of sides is 12 here, enter option. So select the center point. So select inscribe the circle, just I am taking. Let us take it as 5 feet 0 inches is the radius. So now I will explain you how to draw the circumscribe, POL, enter. So let us consider the sides is 12 and select the center point and select it as circumscribe. Let us take this respected value is 5 feet 0 inches. Click on enter option. Okay, this is the process to draw your respected polygon with the help of the circumscribe and inscribe polygon. Okay, so this is the process. You can draw your respected polygon as per your considerations of the number of sides. Okay, so basically this is the procedure. So next command is copy command. So this is one of the most important command. So let us consider, just I am drawing one circle here. Let us take, so here I am drawing one circle command here. Again I am drawing one rectangular command. Let us consider. So let us take this respected rectangle outside this respected circle. So if you want to copy this respected two objects with a specified distance in horizontal position or vertical position, basically we will go with copy command. Okay, so it will ask you to select the objects, select the inner position and outer position. So click on enter option. So basically we need to select the base point. So you can select any one of the base point, center, or you can select the starting point, left side point, right side point, top point, left side point. Okay, so basically I am selecting this respected point. So with the help of the specified distance, you can copy this respected object. Let us take 13 feet 0 inches, enter. Okay, so click on F8 option. So now we can click on the copy option of this respected objects. You can see now the copies are created here with the help of the copy command here like this. Okay, so in the same process you can create the circles also. So copy here, click on enter option. So click on this, select this respected circle, click on enter, select the base point here. So now we can click on this respected requirement. As per your requirement, it will show your respected number of the objects of the copies like this by using AutoCAD software. Okay, so this is the process to create the copies, number of copies. So basically we will select copy command, CO, enter, select any one of the object that you need to copy. Just I am selecting this respected rectangle, click on enter, select the base point. So you can select copy object. Like this process, you can create n number of the object as per your considerations of your AutoCAD 2D floor plan. Okay, so this is the process of copy command, and this is the complete explanation which is related to your respected arc command, polyline command, polygon command, copy command, move command. Okay, so in my upcoming video I will explain you rotate command, mirror command, offset command, zoom command and text command. Okay, if you have any queries about this respected 5 commands, please text me your questions in the below comment box. I will give you answers for the respected questions. Okay, thank you.